up guys, back again with another video, and in today's video I wanted to make a video showing you guys the best 3 themes for Android. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into this. Alright, so for the first theme it's going to be called Flow Home. Keep in mind you will need the KLWP application to get these themes up and running. This theme, it is going to be a 3-page theme. There's a lot more going on with this theme, which I do like. It is a 3-page theme like I just said, so let's go ahead and scroll through the pages and I'll go ahead and show you guys what you're working with. So if you scroll to the right, you do have your music player, and if you scroll all the way back to your left, you do have your weather application. We'll just start from left to right, so we're going to just start with the weather widget. You do have your weather widget here in the middle, and you do have your weather forecast here as well. At the bottom it just gives you the time it was last updated. Press the arrow down at the bottom, it just opens up your app drawer like so. Just go ahead and exit out of that. If you press this plus sign, it goes into a little more depth. It does give you a map, and it does give you the 4-day forecast. If you press on the X again, it just goes ahead and goes back into the same page we were just at. So if we go scroll to the side, as you can see, it does this for every single page, which is pretty nice. The animations are pretty nice as well. As you guys can see, in the middle of the page you do have a calendar widget, and at the bottom you do have some 3 applications. I'm sure you can change these out. I just left them as is just for now for the sake of the video. Go to the right one more time, you do have your dedicated music player. I obviously have nothing playing, but if you were to have something playing, it would be here. So this is pretty much going to do it for this theme. Like I said, this is a 3-page theme. 3 pages are usually average when it comes to this application, and this theme was called Flow Home. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link down below. Now on to the second theme of the video. This theme is called City View. Again, you're going to need that same application I mentioned earlier in the video to get this theme up and running as well. This theme is only a 1-page theme, but it does have a lot more to offer, and it also has a little customization, which is also a good thing. Here you do have a small music player, which is pretty cool. It is kind of hidden, so it doesn't take a lot of room. And as far as the middle, you do have a calendar widget, which is pretty much the norm with all these themes. As far as the customization, if we click this little arrow up here, it brings down a little toolbar, and you have 3 different options you can go ahead and change. You can go ahead and change the actual color, you can go ahead and change the actual background as far as how dark you want the theme to be, and you can also change the wallpaper. So if you go ahead and click here, you can see I'm changing through all these options, seeing which one I kind of like. We'll go ahead and leave it right here, and then you can also change the transparency of the color of the actual theme, which is also pretty sweet. So yeah, at this point I was just messing with the transparency to see how dark or how light I wanted it, and as you can see here, you can pretty much make it a solid color. But as far as that, the middle option, you can go ahead and change the actual darkened background. So you can see right here, I'm just changing from a gray to a dark black and basically a dark background. So yeah, this is pretty much gonna do it for this theme. It is somewhat customizable. I would like it to be a little bit more, but it is what it is, and it is a pretty nice theme. Now on to the next one. This is the last theme I have for you guys. I'm not gonna even try to pronounce this name because I know I'm just gonna butcher it, but I will leave it here, and I also will leave it down in the description if you guys want to check it out. Now this is a 1-page theme just like the last one. It does have its own features, which is pretty nice, and it does have some customization as well. So if we just tap the middle bar, you can see it opens up your app drawer, just does that. I'm going to close that out, and you do have some applications here at the bottom, and right there at the corner, I don't know if you guys can see it, there is a little settings icon. If you click it, let's see if I can go ahead and click it. There we go, and it brings you a menu just like the last theme. It is a little different, just like I said, but here you got the color that you can go ahead and choose from. Let's go ahead and see what I like. And I guess we'll leave it right there at the red. It also has a navigation toggle, so if you do have on-screen navigation bar, you can go ahead and toggle that on and off. You can go ahead and toggle this last switch on if you want a lighter theme, but I prefer usually darker themes, so I'll just toggle that back off. As far as these 2 arrows right here, you can go ahead and just add a filter to the on-screen background, which you can go ahead and just take a look. Let's see what I like. I guess we'll leave it there for now, just for the sake of the video. And once you're done with that, you just click the little icon again, and it takes you right back to the home screen. So like I said, this is a 1-page theme just like the last one. It is pretty nice. If you guys want to check it out, I will leave a link down below. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below for the actual application and as well as the themes. So if you guys did enjoy this video, go and leave a like, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.